Right, today we're going to have a look at the sender unit because it's not working. We've taken the tank off in our other video to do the fuel tap, so we're going to concentrate on this today. This little cover, I believe, just pops off. Get a little screwdriver under in there, yeah, and it just sort of clips on. These old Japanese are very clever. There's 4 little nuts there. What's that, 8mm, something like that? Right, so 8mm. Just take that little clip off there, that wire. And I believe there's a little rubber seal under here as well. We're not going to change that because we haven't got one, so hopefully it won't leak. If you're liking the videos, please subscribe and like and comment, please. And if you don't find the camera work very good, please tell him. And there we go. Right, so we're going to just try and knock these tags off now and see if we can pull this little baby apart. I don't know how successful we're going to be, but let's have a look. This is the first one. I'm just cleaning this rust off around here because it seems to be attached to there somehow, but it is a little bit tight. I don't know why, but it's not having it at the moment. Oh, there you go. So it does come off. One more thumbs today, but she will come off. There you go. Oh, look at the rust and crud in there, look. Right, as you can see, I've cleaned it up. I've chucked this in some wheel acid, actually, just the cover, because you pull over the tags there, as you see earlier. Alan has taken a photograph of the gubbins inside. There was a wire we think it was a dry joint on the solder inside there. He's resoldered that. Sorry we didn't film it. And it seems to work now. So we're just going to put it back together. I've just put a little bit of rubber grease around the seal here. So we're just going to insert it then. So go like that. Apparently I've got to stop calling Alan and call him the cameraman. He's getting ideas above his station now, I think. Just wiggle it in there. Obviously it goes that way. Just tuck that under there. So it's out of the way. Get the 4 bolts and the 8mm socket. It's very simple, really. Right, we're just going to put the cover on. It's got this little breather on it. We guess if it leaks, then it will come out and it go on the pipe. You'll see it leaking underneath the bike. That's the only reason that's on there, one would imagine. So there you go. Now we've done that job, we're going to put the tank back on. We might have to get the cameraman to give me a hand in a minute. Right. Just to put all the pipe stuff on. Lob it in there. Just there, like that. I'm going to go around that side. No, just put this overflow breather onto the. Is that on? I can't see because the cameraman. So that's that on. And I'll just put this, connect the sender up if we can find the beauty. There you go. Just make sure the wire's clipped underneath the tank, okay. Right, now let's just try the sender now. After we've done that repair, It takes a little while. I've only put a little bit of fuel in it, but yes, look at that. It's moving. It's not going to go up a lot, but it has moved. So I think we fixed it. So don't forget, I've done the fuel, the vacuum pipe. Can't get the camera in there to show you properly. It's all a little bit tight, but it goes straight onto the back of the tap. It's from off the carburetors. And just slide that down. You might, it's handy just to hold the tank up at the back a little bit whilst you're doing all this. But we don't even need to force that on a bit. Get the fuel pipe all the way home. So we've just tightened up the little Jubilee clip on the tap. So we just put the tank bolts in. Don't forget the metal collets. They're 10mm these. You ain't got to have them up super tight. They're rubber mounted. Don't worry about that little bang. That's only a rubber handle against the frame of the me ratchet. There you go. I'm not doing them up super tight. That's tight enough. So let's start her up. Let's have a look. Well, that's not bad. The fuel gauge is working brilliantly. So the cameraman did a fantastic job on the soldering on the 78. We'll do a ride out on it very soon when the weather picks up. And thanks for watching.